अगर बाबा का सहयोग चाहिए तो वास्तव में सहयोग कोई मांगने की चीज नहीं है। सहयोग स्नेही को स्वतः ही प्राप्त होता है। आप बाबा का स्नेही बनो तो सहयोग स्वतः ही प्राप्त होगा, मांगने की आवश्यकता नहीं। आधा कल्प मांगते रहे भक्त रूप में, अभी बच्चा बनकर भी मांगते रहे, तो बाकी फर्क क्या रहा भक्त और बच्चों में? लेकिन कारण क्या है कि अज्ञानी होकर सहयोग मांगते हो? अधिकारी समझो तो फिर मांगने की आवश्यकता नहीं। बीती सो बीती, जो बीत चुका उसका चिंतन ना करके बीती हुई बातों से शिक्षा लेकर आगे के लिए सावधान। अगर बीती हुई बातों को सोचते रहेंगे तो ये भी एक समस्या हो जाएगी। समस्याएं तो बहुत आती हैं, ये भी एक नई समस्या खड़ी कर देंगे। बीती को परिवर्तन में लाने, बल भरने के लिए उस रूप से सोचो। अगर ये सोचेंगे कि ये क्यों, कैसे हुआ, अब कैसे होगा, जंप दे सकूंगा या नहीं, क्वेश्चन नहीं करो। क्वेश्चन मार्क के बदली फुल स्टॉप, बिंदी लगाओ। If you want Baba's cooperation, then in fact, you do not need to even ask for it. Those who are loving automatically receive cooperation. If you have love for Baba, you will automatically receive cooperation. There is no need to ask for it. In the form of devotees, you have been asking for half a kalpa. If you continue to ask, even now as a child, then what difference is there between the devotees and the children? You continue to ask for cooperation as ignorant souls. If you consider yourself to be one with the right, you do not need to ask for it. Whatever has happened is in the past. Now you must also transform all the experiences you have had. Do not think about whatever has happened. Learn a lesson from whatever has happened and be cautious in the future. If you continue to think about whatever has happened in the past, that will become an obstacle. Many obstacles come, and this would be a new obstacle arising. In order to transform the past and to fill yourself with strength, think about it in that way. But instead, you think, why did this happen? How did it happen? How will it happen now? Will I be able to take a high jump or not? Do not ask all these questions. Apply a full stop instead of question marks. It is easy to apply a full stop. Whether someone knows how to write a question mark or not, everyone here knows how to ask questions. Continue to apply a full stop, and you will be able to stabilize yourself in the stage of a point.